Hi.
Hello. How can I help?
We have an oil pressure alarm on our Generac generator and we have replaced oil, but the alarm is still on.
Do you know the model of your Generac generator? How old is it?
It is 10 years old.
How long has this been going on with your Generac generator? What have you tried so far?
Model ###. It worked great this afternoon, but tonight it just keeps cutting out after a few seconds. Do we have to reset anything?
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I don't know.
Hi, I'm sorry you are going through this. I know how frustrating this can be. These smaller generators burn oil when they run. Since the unit just ran fine, you need to make sure the oil level is full before doing anything. To reset alarm, place the controller in off position and then hit enter on the controller.
We tried that and nothing happened, sadly. The alarm is still there.
But does the alarm clears and once you run it again shut down on low oil pressure?
It doesn't clear. It shuts down.
You place the controller in off and hit enter twice? Do me a favor, unplug the low oil pressure sensor. Sensor should be located by the oil filter. Unplug it and try resetting it.
Then reconnect and switch back on?
First, see if the alarm clears. I have a feeling it might not, but I want to see what happens.
It cleared. Thanks.
If you plug it back in and run it, what happens?
It started and stayed on.
The low oil switch is connected, corrected. Hope everything is well with the generator.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.